is a Warner Brothers television production.
The Bugs Bunny Show.
Cut the lights. This is it, the night of nights. No more rehearsing and nursing apart. We know every part by heart. Overture, cut the lights. This is it, we'll hit the heights. And oh, what heights we'll hit. On with the show, this is it. Tonight, what heights we'll hit. On with the show, this is it.
Starring that Oscar-winning rabbit, Bugs Bunny.
And also starring...
Let's be friends. Best friends.
A few moments later.
Hey!
Huh? Yes!
Wow, Bobby, that's a lot of fans you got there. Alright guys, get in line for a free hug. Next.
This is my chance.
Alright, you're up, Crystal.
Can't feel a thing. Huh?
Come here, sweetheart.